What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert a calendar in Microsoft Excel. This handy feature, known as a date picker, simplifies the process of entering dates into your data tables, making your spreadsheet interactions smoother and more efficient. First, you need to enable the Developer tab since it's not visible by default. Click on the File tab at the top left corner of Excel and then select Options. In the Excel Options window, go to Customize ribbon, and on the right side of the window, check the box next to Developer. Hit OK, and you will see the Developer tab appear in your ribbon. Now, with the Developer tab active, let's proceed to add the calendar to your Excel workbook. Click on the Developer tab and then select Add-ins. This opens a gateway to various useful tools you can add to Excel. For the calendar, you want to access the Office store. Once inside the store, type Calendar into the search field and press Enter. You should see several options, but we're looking for the Mini Calendar and Date Picker. Click on Add to install it. Once added, the calendar will appear in your Excel workbook. You can move this calendar to a convenient location within your spreadsheet by clicking and dragging it from its borders. Resize it to your liking using the small circles at the corners of the calendar widget. To enter a date from your calendar into a data cell, simply click on the cell where you want the date to appear. Then use the date picker to find and select your desired date. If there's a time when you no longer need the calendar, you can easily remove it by clicking on its border and pressing the Delete key, or choosing Cut from the drop-down menu. If you decide you need it later again, just go back to the Developer tab, click on Add-ins, and you'll find it listed under your previously used add-ins. Click on it to bring back your spreadsheet. This calendar tool not only adds functionality to your Excel workbook, but also enhances your data entry process, making it quicker and reducing the chance of error. Play around with the settings to further customize the calendar's appearance and functionality to best fit your needs. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.